on the 8th.
Currently in our area, 39 degrees under partly cloudy skies. An ice storm warning, a snow advisory, and a wind chill watch have been issued for our area by the National Weather Service.
I like funky music, yeah. I like funky music, baby. I like funky music. I like funky music, yeah.
Our local Doppler radar.
I like funky music, baby. I like funky music. I like funky music, yeah. Why don't you do the dance up on Simpson Street? That's where the poppy lands knows how to party. We come from miles around, from every part of town, and every night when we boogie down, here's what we say. I like funky music, baby. I like funky music, yeah. I like funky music, baby.
Today, snow and gusty winds. Snow will become heavy during the afternoon. High 40. Winds north-northeast at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Snowfall rates around 1 inch. For tonight, snowy and windy. Snow will become heavy at times overnight. Very cold. High 37. Winds northeast at 10 to 15 miles per hour. 1 to 2 inches of snow expected. And on Tuesday, wind increasing. A few clouds from time to time. High 28. Winds east-southeast at 25 to 40 miles per hour. A slushy accumulation around an inch expected. Our week ahead.